Okay, let's start the presentation. Good morning, good evening, everybody. Uh, my name is Marina Adams. I'm here in Texas, USA. I've been a member of BJ for 6 months. I joined last July the 1st, 2025, and I love BJ. I really love it. I've been in so many uh online business, but this is the only one that I believe God lead me to this company, which is I love it. So I'm a level 3 in BJ, and thank you for coming and watching me presenting this learning. And I just gonna say that this PowerPoint, I got it from Professor Stephen Beard. I requested a PowerPoint so I don't have to make it on my own. It's already ready made. So if you want to do your presentation as you are leveling up, you can request it. You can request it to Stephen Beard or Elena. So this is from Gagan's presentation, which I love Gagan because I really like the way she present the the BJ company. So I'm probably not as fluent as she is because she is a school teacher or a professor, and I'm not a professor. I'm just a simple uh, secretary that working in the hospital. So that's I am. Okay. Uh, as you know, BJ is a wealth sharing, and BG Wealth Group is the largest hedge fund in the world. Did you know that? And you can double your investment in under 60 days. That's a credible system that changes life. It really changed my life. I mean, uh, it really changed financially because I only like 6 months and my compounding is really, really high rocketing. I mean, if you work hard, if you do your trading, if you do what they told you to do, you will uh, you will reach your goal. Okay. Okay, as Gagan said, let's do the housekeeping. So let me see this disclaimer. This presentation is not a financial advice, enticement, or a guarantee of results. Results in the big investment project are based on your efforts, determination, and focus, and following the instruction and guidance of Professor Stephen Beard for the trading signals. BJ is a Web3 trading project on DSJ Exchange affiliated as DSJX that requires crypto to participate. It requires cryptocurrency. So today's presentation is not an investment advice. So I'm not advising everybody that, oh, if you join this group, you will be like rich. No, that's not. This is an offer or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of investments. Past performance is not indicated of future results. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and involves a high amount of risk, in which you may lose some of all your investment funds or If that's happened, if you think that you lose your investment fund, you should not invest with funds that you cannot afford to lose. So bear in mind, this is not a good rich quick. So BJ wealth sharing is a win-win-win. Win-win-win is a 99.6% accurate trading signals. BJ Wealth Sharing Limited is affiliated to DSGEX Exchange, and this is the letter. As you can see the letter in here on the left, and BJ Wealth Sharing Limited, there is a letter also that is that they say that investment partnership commitment letter. So over the next 10 years, Stephen Beard commit to providing the signal analysis each day. So the letter is we have to follow. Following the trade, investor must comply with the company development policies, maintain the company reputation, and uphold the company's culture. So, and this is a guaranteed fund safety and profit. So you don't have to worry about sometimes they say, oh, BJ is scammer. No, we're not. We have a letter. We have everything that show them what we have. The win-win philosophy of DSJ is to comply. The SJ Exchange is a compliant and legal. This is a legal company. The SJ Exchange holds registration, as you can see on the other side, the certificate of registration of a company and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. So the Australian Securities and Investment Commission, the ASIC registration, the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS registration, the Dubai Financial Services Authority, the FSA registration, the Bahamas Central Bank registration, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission registration, and the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN registration. Opening doors to global markets and investors. This is open to everybody all over the world, except those countries that are not included is New Zealand and Saudi Arabia, as far as I know. I may have to check that with Dr. Stephen Beard. So BJ is a wealth investors. So if you join BJ, you have a referral rewards. That's why they say win-win-win philosophy. So as you can see, the amount you put in and the referral rewards, new members rewards, bonus signal 1% of the funded amount in USDT. So we're trading USDT. It's all USDT. I believe they trust US dollar. So if the deposit is less than 500 USDT, the referrer and the new member receive 5% reward and no bonus signals. However, if the deposit is 500 minus 500 to 1,000 USDT, it is 500 reward for the referrer and 5% reward for the new member. So both also get 6-hour signals each. So if the new members start with 1,000 and above, the referrer earns 10% reward and 12 bonus signals. The new member earns 5% reward and the 6 bonus signals. So here you are. So what is BJ Wealth Sharing mission and vision? So let's see what is the vision And what is the mission and the vision of DSJ? So about Stephen Beard, this is our CEO. Founded BJ in 2018. BJ signed a 10-year partnership with DSJX in 2022 to enhance verified retail investor traffic. My voice is kind of like, okay. He combines academic insight with practical trading experience, creating a hybrid investment model that pairs human judgment with AI and data signals. He has a strong track record in mentoring leaders. He is a good leader, focusing on risk control and measurable performance. As of November 2025, BJ operates in 100 plus countries and has over 450,000 plus members. I believe it's now is almost 1 million members. So we are growing rapidly. We are growing everywhere in the world. So the company is currently strategizing for expansion into the US and aims to establish its headquarters in Colorado by 2026. So are you excited about that? I am. Let's go. Okay. For the vision of BG Wealth Sharing Limited is to empower every active investor to become a BJ owner and ensure they have guaranteed income through BJ. BJ philosophy, what is BJ? B means being. Being is a core concept that refers to the essence and reality of things. It involves how we understand the relationship between ourselves and the world. Growth means the process of life is essentially continuous growth, including both physical development and the deepening of spirit and thought. In a small team, people manage people, and a large company, systems manage people. Follow group rules for easier management and a stable long-term trading signal. BJ Wealth Sharing is a long-term, is a AI-powered daily trading and team building for income growth. So our earning is stable through trading signals, and earning is a dynamic income through referral rewards and dividend payouts. So our community rules. Number 1 says, follow company rules and learn core philosophies. Focus on what is right. Appreciate and support teammates. Collaborate to grow and earn rewards. Listen, follow instruction, spread positivity, consult Stephen Beard with questions. So Stephen Beard, don't mind, you can ask him so many questions. He can answer you. He is really, really a good person. Number 4, it says, replicate the company philosophy accurately to ensure solid growth and expansion. And 5 said, share goals with Stephen Beard to receive mentoring. Maintain the right investment mindset. Follow quantitative trading methods and signals. Manager must attend company meetings. Encourage team participation, including bone chat. So we have to be active in bone chat. It's not just like trading and, so many things that we have to follow the rules. And also report issues, feedback clearly. Don't don't report things that is not true, right? Okay, no spamming. A lot of people like doing things that is not right. That is not a community rules for a BJ. So keep meetings productive and communication clear. After meeting, summarize key points and share with your team for follow-up learning. Okay? Disrespecting referrers or teammates or consistently ignoring partners may result in termination of cooperation. So BJ is a long-term profit. It starts from familiarity. And then you can get higher income. It starts from group rules. Financial freedom starts from the team. And then time freedom starts from replication. Okay, what is the 5 advantages of video sharing? Video Sharing Limited is a 99.6% accurate signals. So if you don't trade, you don't get 99%. So this one is create a long-term stable income with the world's unique AI trading data, combined with signal accuracy of 99.6%, guaranteeing 60% or more profit on trade volume. So compliant and legal, the SG Exchange. The SG Exchange holds registration and business certification in more than 30 countries and regions around the world, including the Australian ASIC registration. So I have that a while ago over there, and this guaranteed fund safely and profit. It's guaranteed. So all BJ members, they can guarantee that the fund safety is profitable. And this is a long-term project partnership. So professor always say this is a long-term project that you can, give it to your family, the next generation. So it is really nice. And the stability meets opportunity. This is a future income will be, more diversified in addition to, profiting from signal trading. Investors can also form a team to obtain additional income and benefit opportunities. So we have a lot of opportunities of BJs. Those who are here like maybe 6 months, you can tell there's a lot of opportunities. So when you join BJ, you won't be disappointed. So here's the referral rewards again. Just gonna skip that because I have that a while ago. And then the team building. This is helping more people. Like you refer 5 people and then form a group, enjoy trading volume dividends. So you have a dividends when you repair people. It's not just a trading. Trading is your money is compounding every day. But if you want to reach like position level 1, sorry. Let's see. Okay, let me go back to where I am. Sorry. Okay, so you can see the level 1 is a junior spokesperson. This one is directly reports like add 5 peoples. So the bonus ratio is 0.50%. The cycle of bonus is $30, and the level of rewards is $100. So on to level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, and level 7. So I think they have more level nowadays than it was. So Gagan reached level 8 now, I believe. She got the level 7 last year, and Mr. Gary also got the level 7 last year, and he is now level 8. This is a nice opportunity. This is a great opportunity to everybody. So yeah, I believe there is a level 8 now, as it shows over here. Level 8 is 3 direct, LB7 is 20,000 team members. So it's kind of like, for me, is, can I reach that? Or maybe, or not? Or, so you got, like, if you reach level 8, you have 60,000 monthly salary, dividend coverage. And then your promotion reward is 100,000. LB9 for direct, LB7 50,000 team members, 100,000 monthly coverage, and 200,000 promotion reward. So LB10 3 directs, LB8 100,000 team members. So how many people in the world? How many people all over the world? So if probably if we work hard, we can reach that goal someday, right? Okay, this is the dividend volume. This is a team manager. This is a great things to learn, because if you join BJ, you can get like 5 people in your group. Only 5 people. The 5 people, and the 5 people that you have, and if they have 5 each, so that is 25 people now. So the power of duplication and replications, 5 who bring in 5 is, if you fill all the 5 people in your group, if you have 25, you can be a level 2, and then you can get the permanent trading signal. That means your compounding, instead of 2, trading a day, they will give you extra if you fill in like 5 who bring 5. So that is 25. But there is a team building rules. So this is the rules for building your teams. My throat is getting dry. Sorry. Okay. The dividend payouts are paid out according to rank and on the trading volume of your entire grow line. The trade accounts that are 300 USDT and above are considered qualified and are counted for dividend payouts. Okay. If you have a birthday allowance, LB1 and above may apply once a year for 100 USDT birthday allowance. I got that because my birthday is in January, and I said, oh, it's my birthday. And Elena said, okay, I apply for $100 bonus, and it's in your DSG account. That is so nice, right? Okay, team conduct. Team managers must lead, responsibly. Spreading new rumors or negative information is prohibited. We are not allowed. Verified offenders will have all their benefits canceled. So they're so nice. They give us, dividend, but if you are not following the rules, they might cancel whatever you have. Okay, assistant reward. Leaders LB1 and above can earn $50, 50 USDT for each member, direct to them who achieves LB1 status. So if you help one of your leaders to have 5, they will give you 50 USDT. So that's another bonus. It's awesome, right? It's really nice. Yeah. So team gathering reimbursement, you can also reimburse. If you are LB3 plus, monthly gathering are eligible for reimbursement with prior approval from the BJ management leaders. So please submit receipt and supporting documentation for reimbursement, following rules and important if you want reimbursement. I haven't tried it yet. This professor always encouraged me to like you go out for uh recruit people out there, and if you have 3 and we can pay your food or something that you spend with. So that is awesome. That is really really awesome. Okay, dividend payouts and rank verification. Depending on your rank, you may qualify for dividends on the 9th. So that's where we sent letter to Stephen, to our professor, on the 9th, the 19th, and the 29th of each month. So report any rank advancement to BJ management for verification to receive your rank, bonus, and updated dividend entitlements. So this is really nice. So if you are level 1, you will get $30 on the 9th, $30 on the 19th, and $30 on the 29th. Well, $90 is really big. You can't get that anywhere. I've been working 25 years in the hospital. They never give me that. So, right? Okay, let's move on. Are you ready to build a team? Trading with DSJX. How do we complete the trades? Well, if you start 500 USDT initial capital, you're trading 2 trade codes per day. Each trade equals 1% of the asset value. And a guaranteed minimum profit of 60% is implied over a period. The average daily earnings are approximately 6.50, bringing the balance to 506.50 on day 1. On day 1, you already trade and you can see your money already, it's added. Day 2, example, earning 6.58, cumulative profit 13.08 after 2 days. And then claim return is 1.3% daily compounded, which will double the investment in under 60 days. Yes, I can tell under 60 days. I put $1,000 to start with, and then after a month, I put another $1,000. In 2 months, my money went up to 2,000. No, my money went up to 4,500 in 2 months. So I withdrew the 2,500, and then I left my capital for 2,000. The 2,000 I have not withdraw for 4 months. Now it's already almost $20,000. That is awesome, right? You only trade, you only click your phone like maybe 5 or 10 minutes. You're done twice a day. For those who have, you know, third signal 3 times a day. So it's really, really awesome. Okay, how do we follow the trading signals? So step 1, copy the code from BondChat. So you have to be active in BondChat. If you don't be active in BondChat, you're gonna have a hard time withdrawing because they have to know if you're really, really a person. Okay, step 2 is paste the code in your DSJX account and confirm. So if you need some, if you need some assistance, whoever invited you or whoever put you in the group, she will be the one to teach you. So step 3 is check position order. Do not, is a no-no, do not click the call. That's no-no. You're gonna lose your money if you do that. Okay. Okay, how we gonna claim the bonus signals? There is a step 1, step 2, and a step 3. Step 1 is log into your DSJX account, click on future, then on invited me. You do not have to copy and paste code for bonus signals. Step 2 is bonus signals appears under invited me section. Click the button that says confirm to follow the order, accept the bonus signal amount. Then step 3 is click on position order to confirm the pending status of your trade and to confirm your bonus signal amount. Voila! In probably 10 minutes, you will get it. Right? What if the trading signals fails? Okay, a lot of people like freaking out when we have a maintenance. Or I think I've been here like 6 months, it's only failed twice, but it recover. And when it recover, Stephen Baird, our professor, he will give us another code in probably about an hour, and then you will make more money. So don't worry about failing. We always win. That's the philosophy of BJ, is win, win, win. Okay, are you ready to create wealth? Daily 2 codes versus 3 codes. Okay, I'm fortunate that I have already the 3 codes. Earning with fixed codes and bonus signals. Example, let's say you invite 5 new members who each deposit at least 500 USDT. Referral reward, earn 5% per member, totaling $125 for 5 members. Each have $25 each. Bonus signal receives 6 signals per referral, worth approximately $18 to $20 total. So rank promotion reached level 1 junior manager for $100 achievement reward. A total immediate rewards of 125 plus 100 equals $225. This is really awesome. So ongoing benefits eligible for dividend payouts on the 9th is the same, the 9th, 19, and 29 of each month based on your rank. Okay, 2 trades per day. Visual Sharing Limited offers 2 fixed trading signals daily. 7 days a week. 7 days a week. No day off. With 2 trades per day and a 1.3% daily compounded return. investor can double their investment in less than 60 days. Okay. The power of third permanent signal. So I love this. I just got it maybe a week ago, which is thank you for all the help of my member. BJ provides an optional third permanent signal that enhances compounding power. With 3 trades per day, the expected daily compounding rate is approximately 1.8% or higher. For example, this could project to around maybe 191.7% profit over a period of 60 days. I can tell because I only have the third permanent signal for a week, and it's really, really high rocketing over a period of 60 days. So, well, yeah, trading occurs 7 days a week, year round, and is available for retail and accredited investor on a compliant platform. Okay, 3 trades per day. 3 trades per day, how you qualify? To unlock the third permanent signal, all team members must have trade accounts with an initial investment of 500 USDT and participate in team building activities. So if you recruit, encourage them to put $500. Because if you don't, you're gonna regret it because it's hard for you to get that third permanent trading. So just encourage them if they have $500. Actually, 300 is okay, but there is like things that you will regret to do that. Okay, to unlock the third signal, you need to refer 5 as the previous one while ago. 5 direct members who must also reach level 1 and start their investment journey with a minimum of 500 each for you to qualify for the third signal. See, you have to have like your 5. If they have 5, they have to have like 500, 500, 500 too. So the third signal offers daily return of approximately 1.8% or higher. And with referral bonuses and daily compounding, returns can increase to around 2.4%. Oh, that is incredible. Okay, third permanent signal. So this is the one that you need to do as a manager. It's, number don't lie. So if you want to really, really build your team, you have to follow this team manager, the A1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each of them have like 5 each. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So you have to have 25 people to be qualified to the third permanent signal. Okay, withdrawal process. This I am not master for withdrawal yet, but I have my team, Chill and May in the Philippines. They are really, really good in helping people withdrawing their money because I only withdraw once and I'm trying to study how to withdraw. So withdrawal fee is a flat handling fee. Handling fee of 12% applies to all withdrawals. So they trying to tell us that if you want to withdraw, you have to check, like put $1 first. If the $1 did not if the $1 is still $1, you can withdraw it. But if it takes out like about 80 cents or 30 cents, don't withdraw. But I talked to Steven to our professor, he said, you can withdraw every day. But the, you know, the things is they probably taken a lot. They will take probably 20% or 30%. So just wait till your account is matured. So trade wallet funds. Funds in the trade wallet are linked to BJ trading signals. Before transferring fund back to the exchange wallet without incurring penalties, the initial investment and any subsequent transfer of funds into the trade wallet must be doubled through trading volume. So early transfer penalty. If you transfer fund before the amount has doubled, a penalty of 20% will apply. See, it's 20% is a waste. So you have to wait till your things is matured. Okay, the total early withdrawal cost. How much it costs you when you withdraw early? If you withdraw your investment before it doubles, you will accrue a total fee of 32%. So that's what I'm saying a while ago, 32%. This includes the 20 early transfer penalty and the 12% DSJEX withdrawal fee. Please consider these policies when planning your transaction. So you have to think, you have to plan before you withdraw. Even though you can withdraw any day, but the penalty you may cannot take it. I can't take it. I'm not taking that penalty like that. I'm not gonna lose my money. Do you? Okay, withdrawal rules and process. All funds transferred into the trade wallet must double through trading before they can be withdrawn without penalty. Referral rewards, rank rewards, and dividend payouts can also be moved into the trade wallet to increase trading volume. However, its transferred amount is subject to the same doubling equipment requirement. So that's what I do. Not all my dividends I did not withdraw. I put it all in the trading account. That's why my money is just increasing. So whenever you add or transfer funds into the trade wallet, a timer resets for that specific amount. That amount must double through trading before it can be withdrawn to avoid a 20% early withdrawal penalty.
Nagluto ako ng noodles.
Oh, so
Lagyan ko naman.
you have a penalty too if you withdraw and that is not matured. Okay, example and withdrawal process. Current balances trade wallet is 1,000. Exchange wallet 1,000 you want to withdraw. Okay, withdrawal process. Ensure your account is verified and the withdrawal wallet is linked to your account. Initiate the withdrawal. Notify Miss Elena or Rosa. Okay. You will notify them that say, hey, Elena, I want to withdraw my money. Can you approve it?
Yeah.
And then the sub-verification provide us the same ID, use or account verification. They will approve the withdrawal for security purposes. Please unmute, please. Please mute. Funds added, if you add 1,000, if you add 100 bonus, birthday reward, or dividend to the trade wallet, the new trade balance will be 1,100. Okay, how to doubling your requirements. Only the new added 100 is subject to the doubling timer. It must double through trading before it can be withdrawn without recurring a 20% early withdrawal penalty. So just bear in mind, study all those things before you withdraw, even though, and also do not, if you withdraw your money, please leave your capital. Don't withdraw it all, or they're gonna close it, or you will lose it. Okay, are you ready to create your BGA story? That's all for tonight. Thank you for listening. And if you have a question, I'm gonna stop sharing, and you can unmute yourself, or if you have a question about this, you are welcome to. So let me see if I can stop sharing. But did I share? It's a recording. Okay. Good. Okay. Unmute everybody. Thank you for coming. Thank you for listening to me. I have 15 participants. Okay, unmute, or everybody show your faces so we can take a picture and show it to our professor. I don't know. Okay. I forgot how to ship and how to take a picture. Okay, show your beautiful faces.
How do you do that?
I'm just gonna do it with my camera.
How
Is there
about
anybody know
Hindi na
how
muna.
to screenshot?
Not yet.
Can you screenshot?
Participants.
I'll do it,
Okay, show
sis.
all your faces.
I'll do it, sis.
Okay, thank
Not
you.
yet.
Okay,
Then
thank you so much.
Wala ka na.
I'm not in here.
Thank you so much for your time.
Me, this one, iPhone. Is that yours?
Pwede.
I'm trying. Hi.
Hi. Hi,
Hi,
Teresa.
everyone. Nice to see you
Hello,
all.
Sister Mary.
Hindi na.
Yeah, nice to see you. Thank you for joining my Zoom. This is my
Ano ka join?
Hi,
to speak in a
everyone, all the
public
way from
Zoom.
Texas.
Hi, Melody.
Great presentation, sis
So,
Marina.
I
Congratulations.
was there.
Hi, Ma'am
Right.
Janet.
Hey, it was a
Hi,
great
Kuya
presentation.
Dudong.
Was good.
I'm not here. Where's my face? Thank you.
okay, you want to introduce yourself? Where are you from? Janet, are you in Lufkin?
We're from Lufkin, Texas.
Alberta.
Wow.
Janet.
Wala ka, echo.
Let me see if I guess I
Oh, nag-recording.
May magkatabi